The ethics of tail docking in German Shepherds. Can German Shepherds have cropped tails? German Shepherds, known for their intelligence, loyalty, and versatility, are one of the most popular dog breeds in the world. They are often seen working as service dogs, police dogs, search and rescue dogs, or simply as beloved family companions. With their distinctive appearance and powerful build, German Shepherds often catch people's attention. However, one question that frequently arises is whether these magnificent dogs can have cropped tails. Cropping, the surgical removal of part of an animal's body, has been a controversial practice for many years. Historically, it was done for specific purposes such as indicating a dog's working status or preventing injuries while herding or hunting. However, times have changed, and the act of cropping has become a subject of ethical debate. While some argue that it is necessary for certain breeds to maintain specific standards, others consider it unnecessary and even inhumane. When it comes to German Shepherds, it is important to note that their natural tail is long and bushy. The breed standard set by organizations like the American Kennel Club (AKC) and the FAFA Copyright DAFA Copyright Ration Sinologique Internationale (FCI) does not require or promote tail cropping. In fact, most modern shows and competitions discourage dogs with cropped tails from participating. Beyond the aesthetic aspect, some people believe that cropped tails can provide benefits for German Shepherds in terms of health and hygiene. Proponents of tail docking argue that it can prevent injuries that may occur during certain activities, such as working in dense vegetation or pulling heavy loads. They also claim that docking can help prevent tail-related conditions such as happy tail syndrome, in which the dog's tail repeatedly hits against hard surfaces and becomes injured. On the other hand, opponents of tail docking argue that these benefits can be achieved through other means without resorting to a surgical procedure. Proper training and awareness of the environment can reduce the risk of tail injuries, and providing dogs with spacious and safe living conditions can minimize the chances of developing happy tail syndrome. Moreover, opponents of tail docking emphasize the ethical concerns associated with the procedure. Dogs are born with tails, and tail docking involves amputating a part of their body without any medical necessity. Critics argue that it is a form of cosmetic surgery that serves no purpose other than conforming to a specific breed appearance. Additionally, studies have shown that the tail plays a significant role in canine communication. Dogs use their tails to express a range of emotions, including happiness, fear, and aggression. Cropping a German Shepherd's tail can limit their ability to communicate effectively with other dogs and humans. Removing this vital form of expression may lead to misunderstandings and potential behavioral problems. It is also worth noting that the practice of tail docking is banned or heavily regulated in many countries. For example, it is illegal in the United Kingdom unless performed by a veterinarian for medical reasons. In countries like Australia and New Zealand, tail docking is strictly prohibited except for specific working dog breeds with exemption permits. In conclusion, while German Shepherds can technically have cropped tails through a surgical procedure, it is essential to consider the ethical implications and the breed standards set by reputable organizations. Tail docking is not required or promoted for German Shepherds, and most modern shows discourage the participation of dogs with cropped tails. Furthermore, there are alternative methods to ensure the health and well-being of these magnificent dogs without resorting to a surgical procedure that amputates a natural part of their body. Ultimately, the decision should be based on careful consideration of the dog's welfare and adherence to ethical standards in the treatment of animals.